This is a story about a boy and his desk. Which desk? This one? Nah, but more on that one later. Maybe this one. Old Reliable. I bought this years back when I lived on my own, just to basically put my computer down on. And even then, it was barely enough room for me to comfortably work on. It came back with me when I moved back home, and came with me when I moved into this apartment. And Emily hates this desk. So much so that she bought a desk for her office months in advance, just so I would stop using it. But this video isn't even about the old desk, or Emily's desk. It's about the next desk. Getting a whole new office came with the opportunity to get a new workspace that would suit my current, let's call them working habits. So this meant borrowing my parents' car and heading to the place I'd confidence I'd find one, Ikea. I had a sneaking suspicion that taking Emily on her first trip to Ikea would slow things down, but I didn't realize the plethora of options paralyzing me with indecision was actually going to hamper things the most. In the end, I stuck with the popular choice. 2 sets of Alex drawers and the Carly kitchen countertop. Plenty of storage space and plenty of surface area to work on. I can see it's popular for a good reason. Also, Ikea carts, super fun. After lugging the surprisingly heavy boxes up to my freshly painted office, I took my sweet time assembling everything. I find it quite relaxing on a rainy weekend afternoon. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles yet, but it's nice to be one step closer to calling this place home. What's up guys? Thank you so much for watching this. I really wanted to make a video about furnishing my office, but I wanted to put a creative spin on it. So let me know what you think. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up down below. It really does help me out. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to kind of keep up with this sort of strange filmmaking journey that I'm on. And if you really did enjoy this, do me a favor, share with a friend who you think might enjoy it too. I'd be eternally grateful. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you next time.